making our way out and going to a bush kindy. Yeah, have a bit of fun with the kids and see what it's all about, jump into some activities.
Non-country comes out here once a week and we have our First Nations families come out. It's really about getting back to country. We also have a meal. The space is set up to support risky play, which is excellent because it's already done. If you are a First Nations family and you live in the Rockhampton area, come along to our beautiful playgroup here at Homegrown Nature Play. You'll see us on Facebook and it'd be great to see you all out here. Thanks.